Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle the common issue, what to do when your WhatsApp display picture is not showing. If you've run into this problem, don't worry. We'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive right in. If your WhatsApp display picture is not showing, it can be due to a few common issues. Let's go through the steps to resolve this. First, check your internet connection. A weak or stable connection can prevent your display picture from loading properly. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a good mobile data signal. Next, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Next, make sure you've set a display picture. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, tap on your profile name and tap on the camera icon to add it. If you already have a picture set, try re-uploading it. Privacy settings can also affect your DP visibility. So go to settings, tap on privacy, ensure that your profile photo is set to visible to everyone through profile photo. Ensure that your profile photo is set to be visible to everyone, my contacts or nobody, depending on your preference. If it's set to nobody, your DP won't be visible to anyone. Okay, we hope these steps help you fix the issue with the WhatsApp display picture not showing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.